lemongrass, benefits, uses, and how to grow it easily. Welcome to this comprehensive exploration of lemongrass, a fragrant and versatile herb known for its bright citrus aroma and wide-ranging health-enhancing properties. Beloved in traditional medicine and modern wellness alike, lemongrass offers a natural way to support digestion, immunity, heart health, and mental calmness. But lemongrass is much more than just an herb. It's a powerful ally for your kitchen, your garden, and your body. In today's video, we'll unpack everything you need to know about the remarkable health benefits of lemongrass, how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine, and the best practices for growing it successfully right at home. A soothing digestive healer. Lemongrass, scientifically known as Cymbopogon citratus, is a tropical grass native to regions of Asia, Africa, and Australia, prized historically in Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and various folk remedies. The herb contains a rich array of beneficial compounds including citral, limonene, geraniol, and flavonoids, all contributing to its potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antifungal activities. A natural support for heart and metabolic health. Beyond digestion, lemongrass supports metabolic health by acting as a natural diuretic. It encourages the kidneys to flush out excess sodium and water, which not only reduces bloating but also helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Research suggests that compounds in lemongrass can lower LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. At the same time, its antioxidant content helps shield cells from oxidative damage, which is a key factor in aging and chronic illnesses. Healing for body, skin, and mind. Lemongrass is also notable for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It has been used traditionally to relieve nerve pain, arthritis, and muscle soreness. Applying lemongrass essential oil diluted in a carrier oil can provide soothing relief in topical massages. Its antimicrobial characteristics are effective in killing bacteria and fungi, which makes lemongrass a popular choice for skincare in treating acne, fungal infections, and wounds. Furthermore, lemongrass contains compounds that may help in cancer prevention. Laboratory studies have shown that citral exhibits anti-cancer properties by promoting the death of cancer cells without harming healthy ones. Although human studies are limited, these findings suggest a promising area of natural research. Mentally and emotionally, lemongrass is a natural relaxant. The aroma of lemongrass essential oil is widely used in aromatherapy to reduce anxiety, stress, and improve sleep quality. Its refreshing scent uplifts the mood while promoting calmness, making it a wonderful addition to diffusers and bath rituals. Practical uses of lemongrass in daily life. When it comes to using lemongrass, the most accessible method is making lemongrass tea from either fresh or dried stalks. To prepare, crush the stalks slightly to release the oils, steep in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes, and strain. This tea not only tastes refreshing, but is therapeutic. Lemongrass can also be finely chopped and added to soups, stews, curries, and stir-fries, especially in Southeast Asian cuisine where its lemony zest is beloved. The essential oil, highly concentrated, should always be diluted before topical use and never ingested without professional guidance. Apart from culinary and medicinal uses, lemongrass oil is a natural insect repellent. Its potent scent deters mosquitoes and other bugs, making homemade sprays or candles with lemongrass oil an eco-friendly alternative to chemical repellents. Additionally, lemongrass can be used in household cleaning products due to its antibacterial nature and pleasant fragrance. How to grow healthy lemongrass at home. Growing lemongrass is highly rewarding and not difficult if provided with the right conditions. It prefers a warm, tropical to subtropical climate with full sun exposure. It thrives in rich, well-drained soil amended with organic compost for maximum growth. If you're in cooler climates, growing lemongrass indoors in pots by a sunny window or under grow lights is a great option. Lemongrass is often propagated by dividing clumps or planting stalks with root nodes, which grows faster than from seed. When planting in soil, space stalks about 24 inches apart to allow room for thick clumps to form. Water the plant regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soggy, as overly wet roots can lead to rot. Mulching helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Fertilize lemongrass monthly during the growing season with balanced organic fertilizer to encourage lush leaf growth. Harvesting and storing lemongrass. Harvesting is simple. Cut stalks at ground level or just above the soil line once they have grown about a foot tall, usually after 3 to 4 months of growth. Regular harvesting promotes new shoots and a bushier appearance. Lemongrass can be harvested all year round in warm climates, but should be trimmed back or moved indoors when frost approaches. Storing fresh lemongrass is best done by wrapping the stalks in plastic or aluminum foil and placing them in the refrigerator, where they last up to 2 weeks. For longer storage, freeze the chopped stalks in sealed containers. Dried lemongrass should be kept in airtight containers away from light and moisture.
Thank you for joining us for practical herbal education, plant growing tips, and natural remedy ideas. Please hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and share with someone who enjoys herbs and gardening as much as we do. And if you enjoyed this video and want more like it, please comment below. I would love to hear from you. Share your tips on how you use herbs in your everyday life.